looking at trade bodies, as Tetri pointed out, that no longer people are opting to have as far as any Turkish delight or any Turkish homegrown apples. We are looking at even when it comes to such kind of MOUs that have now been cancelled by multiple varsities. Now, this is the TISS, which is the Tata Institute of Social Sciences as well, has also suspended its MOU with Azerbaijan and also with Turkey. There is a notice that has now come across that has been put up by TISS saying that no MOUs with Turkey or Azerbaijan until further notice. Existing MOUs are defunct. TISS stands with the nation. So this is exactly the sentiment that has been resonating across trade bodies having their business ties with Turkish firms. We are looking at them also cancelling their business deals at the cost of their business being affected. But when it comes to national security, our pride and patriotism, nothing comes above that. So we are looking at multiple universities, private and government run, that have also decided to boycott their MOUs or Memorandum of Understandings with the respective countries as far as Turkey and Azerbaijan for extending their full support to a rogue nation like Pakistan. But in the wake of Turkey's vocal support for Pakistan, Indian sentiment appears to be shifting and fast. According to recent data, the trip cancellations to Turkey have spiked by a staggering 250%. Now, this is something that has taken a major blow when it comes to Turkish tourism, especially when it comes to Indians who were traveling to Turkey. Now, while bookings from India have now plummeted to 60%, that is more than 50%, and this has been the sharp decline or this reversal that comes after years of steadily growing interest among Indian travelers. And to put things in perspective, let's put out the figures there. How it was as far as Indian citizens traveling to Turkey in the year 2022, there were around 2.3 lakh Indian tourists that visited Turkey, spending an estimated 2,300 crores. By next year, which is 2023, that number climbed to 2.7 lakh, with a total spending that reached nearly 3,000 crore. And last year in 2024, it was an upward strike that was seen as far as hitting 3.3 lakh visitors and over 4,200 crore in tourism revenue that was generated by Indian citizens in Turkey. But when it comes to all of the bookings that have now declined and have gone down considerably, the message is clear from Indian travelers that political posturing has consequences. And for Turkey, the cost of aligning with Pakistan may well be a measured and not in statements, but when it comes to cancelled trips and lost revenue, it will come to bite Turkey. Now, in the meantime, as Indian traders have also decided to go cold Turkey, trade and tourism that has been affected largely as far as Indian citizens, even filmmakers, deciding that they will not choose Turkey as their destination for shooting. Now, the largest trade body, which is the CAIT India, has also held meetings in Delhi where it has decided to openly boycott Turkey. And in this meeting that was attended by 125 trade leaders from 24 states, a unanimous decision was taken to stop trade and tourism with Turkey. Now, let's talk about as far as